Hi, I'm Anne.
And I'm Adam. Welcome
Welcome to
to
Daily English
Podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am so happy to be here with you again, friends. Adam, I see you have a lot of energy today. How are you?
Hi, Anne. Hi, everyone. Well, the truth is, I have a lot of energy, but I am also very hungry. I worked on my computer all day. I had many meetings, and I couldn't eat comfortably.
That's too bad, Adam.
That's why, Anne, today I want to invite you to have dinner at a cafe just around the corner. What do you think if we do today's podcast about how to order food at a cafe?
That sounds like a fantastic idea, Adam. Poor guy, you need to eat well.
Going to a cafe or a restaurant is one of the most common situations when you travel. A cafe is that small and comfortable place where you can buy coffee, tea, sandwiches, and pastries.
It is a perfect topic for our friends to learn natural and conversational language. Let's go then.
Great! When we go, the first thing we must decide is where to sit. I like to sit at a table near the window. But if you go alone, sometimes it is better to sit at the bar, which is that long and high table where the employee serves you directly.
I love to sit at the tables near the window too to look at the street. By the way, Adam, there are themed cafes. A themed cafe is a place that is designed and decorated based on a specific topic, like movies, music, or books, to make the experience more fun. Do you like these places?
I love them. They make dinner more interesting.
That's true, Adam. After you walk in, the waiter takes your order. The waiter is the restaurant employee who welcomes you, takes your food order, and brings the dishes to your table. If it is a woman, she is called a waitress.
The waiter always gives you a menu.
The menu is that printed or digital list that has all the dishes, drinks, and desserts the restaurant offers, along with their prices. Let's see, Adam. What are you going to order to stop that hunger?
Whew! I want a big chicken sandwich and a natural orange juice. But before ordering, I have to check the ingredients carefully for my health.
Whew, that's true. Guys, Adam has food allergies. Food allergies are negative reactions that some people's bodies have when they consume certain specific foods, like peanuts, seafood, or milk.
I am allergic to peanuts, for example.
It is very important to tell the waiter about your food allergies to eat safely. I am going to order a fresh salad and a hot tea. When the waiter comes to take the order, we will tell him that we want to eat in.
To eat in means that you are going to consume the food inside the restaurant. It is the opposite of ordering to go.
Ordering to go means that the restaurant packs your food in containers so you can take it to your house or office and eat it there.
Do you prefer modern and minimalist cafes, or do you like cozy and old-themed cafes more? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, we want to read them. Leave your comments below. And remember, if you like this real learning format and want to support us to keep creating more episodes, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it. Your support is our engine to continue.
That's right, subscribe. And, well, once they bring us the food and we enjoy dinner in a relaxed atmosphere to rest from this stressful day, the final moment will come. asking for the bill.
Exactly. The bill is that paper document the waiter gives you at the end of the meal that shows the total amount of money you spent on the food and drinks you consumed.
I am inviting you today, Anne. Remind me to leave a tip if the waiter's service is good.
A tip is that extra amount of cash that you voluntarily leave to thank them for their good service, speed, and kindness.
Yes, Anne. I invited you, so I will take care of both things.
That's great, Adam. Leaving a good tip is a very nice detail.
Totally agree. Well, Anne, we already planned what to order, where to sit, how to watch out for my allergies, and it's already clear that I am paying the bill. I think we are ready to go to that cafe to get my energy back, but before we leave, let's do our mandatory review.
Perfect. Let's review the words so our friends can take notes before we go have dinner. You start, Adam.
Cafe. A small and comfortable place where you buy coffee, tea, and light meals.
Table. The furniture with a flat surface where dishes are placed to eat.
Bar. The long and high table in a place where the employee serves you directly.
Themed cafe. A restaurant decorated and inspired by a specific topic.
Waiter or waitress. The employee who takes your order and brings food to your table.
Menu. The printed list with the dishes, drinks, and prices of the restaurant. Food allergies. Negative reactions of the body when eating certain foods that are harmful to your health.
Eat in. Consuming the food inside the establishment.
To go. Packing food in containers to consume it in another place.
The bill. The paper that details the total cost of the food you consumed.
Tip. The extra money you leave for the waiter to thank them for their good service. And that is our restaurant vocabulary for today.
Okay, Anne and I are going to dinner, but don't forget to practice these words in your mind the next time you go out to eat. Enjoy the process calmly, guys. Remember that this will always be your peaceful space to improve your English naturally.
Subscribe and share the video.
See you in the next episode to keep learning.
Take good care of yourselves and happy learning.
Goodbye.